Fit the rear end of the die stock onto the pipe. Press the die head inward by hand, and push down the handle clockwise with the other hand to start threading. If the die stock cannot bear force during downward pressing, rotate the pull and adjust the direction of the stop pin. Apply continuous hand force to feed the die stock forward. Add cutting oil after the die stock engages the thread. Continuous threading with constant application of cutting oil. In the later stage of threading, press down the handle using your body weight. Stop threading when the end face of the die aligns with that of the pipe in reverse direction. Press the handle counterclockwise to retract the tool. Thread compliance meets requirements.